Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching today's video. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix mascara mistakes. So I think we've all had this happen to us, like whoops, you just spill a little bit of mascara on the skin around the eyes. So in this video, I'm gonna show you quickly and easy how you can fix that, like it will look like nothing ever happened. It happens really often to me. I don't know what I'm doing, but this happens quite often. So yeah, I'm gonna show you how to fix this, and yeah, let's get started. So whenever this happens, I'm just gonna continue with my mascara. I'm just gonna let it dry. I feel like it's easier to remove when the mascara has dried. So that's just the first tip. And then after that, I'm gonna take a cotton pad and I just really softly just kind of like remove most of the products. You don't want to press too hard because you don't want to like ruin the foundation. But just when I feel like it's not that visible anymore, I take a little bit of concealer and apply it on the back of my hand. I use a cotton tip, I don't know what a Q-tip I think it's called, and then I softly dab it on the place where the mascara was. So because there's foundation underneath the mascara, it's now kind of going to fade into the skin around it, and just really press softly. Then I take a little bit of powder in a light color and just dab it on top of where I just used the concealer, so it's all matte and kind of like locked in place. And then here is the end result. You can't really see it anymore. I think you really can't see it anymore, but yeah, I hope this video was helpful. If there's any other like common makeup mistake you want me to show you guys how to fix, let me know in the comments down below. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and hopefully I will see you all in the next video. Bye guys.
Even if you tried, you wouldn't